Your thunderstorm warning for eastern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, Cobb County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Burnt Hickory Ridge, or near Cartersville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Cartersville, Dallas, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Powder Springs, Austell, Hiram, Emerson, Fair Oaks, Lithia Springs, Mount Bethel, Burnt Hickory Ridge, Kellogg Creek, Red Top Mountain State Park, Lost Mountain Park, Brownsville, and Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service has